Teresita Leonardo de Castro, born October 10, 1948. Teresita Jose Leonardo is a Filipina who served as the 24th Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines. She was appointed by President Rodrigo Duterte on August 28, 2018. She assumed the vacated position once her predecessor, Maria Lourdes Sereno, was removed via quo warranto petition by declaring Sereno a de facto Chief Justice and making her 2012 appointment null and void ab initio, making de Castro the de jure 24th Chief Justice and the first female Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. De Castro officially retired on October 10, 2018, after reaching the mandatory retirement age of 70. Merely 46 days after serving as Chief Justice, surpassing the record of former Chief Justice Pedro Yap of being the shortest tenured Chief Justice. Prior to her appointment to the Supreme Court by President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, she had been the presiding Justice of the Sandigan-Bayan. De Castro's parents are Fortunato R. Leonardo and Maxima Jose of Paranaque. De Castro resides at Merville Subdivision, Paranaque. She is married to businessman Eduardo A. de Castro, and they have 3 children, Maria Cheryl, Christine Genevieve, and Eduard Anthony. Her half-brother, Eduardo L. Leonardo, works as Executive Assistant VI in Sandigan-Bayan. De Castro finished her grade school and high school education valedictorian at St. Paul College of Paranaque and earned her political science degree, cum laude, 1968, and Bachelor of Laws in 1972 at the University of the Philippines, Diliman. She passed the Philippine Bar Examination of November 1972 with bar rating of 80.9%. She started her judicial career as a law clerk, legal and judicial assistant in the Supreme Court of the Philippines, 1973-1978. She was appointed Doge State Counsel IAN 1978 to 1985. And promoted to Senior State Counsel 1985-1987, Supervising State Counsel, and Chief of the Legal Staff 1988-1989, before her Sandigan-Bayan appointment. De Castro was State Counsel V and Legal Staff Head at the DOJ 1989 to 1995. De Castro was the presiding Justice and Chair of the First Division, Sandigan-Bayan, at the time of her appointment to the High Court. She held the position of President-elect of the International Association of Women Judges, IAWJ, from 2012 to 2014. She is also the chairwoman of the 2015 Philippine Bar Examination Committee. On August 25, 2018, President Duterte announced his appointment of De Castro as the new Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, replacing Maria Lourdes Sereno, who was removed from office by way of an 8-6 decision by the Supreme Court over a quo warranto petition. She formally assumed the office on August 28th. The trial of Joseph Estrada, De Castro headed the Anti-Graft Court's Special Division on the perjury and plunder trial of former President Joseph Estrada. Estrada's son, Senator Jinggoy Estrada, also faced charges. The trial finished in September 2007. Estrada was acquitted of perjury charges but found guilty of plunder and sentenced to life imprisonment. All the co-defendants, including Senator Jinggoy Estrada, were acquitted of all charges. Estrada appealed the decision and called the court and De Castro, as head of it, a kangaroo court, while President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo said the court's decision must be accepted. De Castro was appointed to the Supreme Court soon after the end of the highly politicized trial. This led to some accusations of quid pro quo. People claimed that she had convicted former President Estrada in exchange for a seat on the Supreme Court. She vigorously denied those rumors, claiming that she had been a candidate for a seat on the High Court before her involvement in the case. Testimony against Sereno, De Castro was one of 5 sitting justices who sought to nullify the appointment of Maria Lourdes Sereno as the country's top magistrate. De Castro and Sereno were both shortlisted by the Judicial and Bar Council in 2012 for the Chief Justiceship, but then President Benigno Aquino III appointed the latter to the post. Along with 4 other members, she was accused of exhausting legal remedies to oust the incumbent Chief Justice. On August 25, 2018, De Castro was appointed by President Rodrigo Duterte as the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, following the ouster of Maria Lourdes Sereno via quo warranto. She served 46 days until her mandatory retirement on her 70th birthday on the 10th of October. De Castro's appointment was criticized due to her expected short term of 2 months, since she is obligated to retire on October 8, 2018, as well as her role as one of the 5 sitting justices who sought to nullify the appointment of Sereno as Chief Justice. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.